Wheat is scientifically known as A. Glycine max, B. Triticum sativum, C. Arachis hypogea, or D. Manihot esculenta. The answer is B. Triticum sativum. Glycine max is soybean, Arachis hypogea is peanut, and Manihot esculenta is cassava. Next, which is not a characteristic of a dicotyledonous plant? A. Netted venation, B. Taproot system, C. Floral parts in multiple of 5, or D. Scattered vascular bundles. The answer is D. Scattered vascular bundles are seen in monocots. So, other characteristics of a monocotyledonous plant, they have parallel venation, their flower parts are in trees, and they have fibrous root system. Also, one cotyledon, while dicot, di meaning two, so they have two cotyledon. Next, as response to drought, this hormone initiates stomatal closure to reduce water loss. A. Ethylene, B. Gibberellin, C. Cytokinins, or D. Abscisic acid. The answer is abscisic acid, or ABA. This is also referred to as the stress hormone. Ethylene is called the ripening hormone. Gibberellins are important in controlling the major aspects of plant growth, such as germination, elongation of cells, and flowering. Cytokinins, this promotes cell division during proliferation and increase cell expansion during the expansion stage of leaf cell development. Next, it refers to the male organ of a flower. A. Sepal, B. Petals, C. Stamen, or D. Pistil. The answer is stamen. Pistil is the female organ of a flower. Sepals, or the calyx, these are defensive organs that encloses and protects the developing reproductive structures. Petals are also called corolla, so these are modified leaves that surround the reproductive parts of a flower. Next, a process of two successive nuclear divisions in which the diploid chromosome number is reduced to haploid. A. Mitosis, B. Meiosis, D. Karyokinesis, or D. Cytokinesis. The answer is meiosis. So, mitosis, it involves one cell division producing two identical diploid daughter cells. Karyokinesis is the step during cell division where the nucleus divides to form two daughter nuclei. Cytokinesis is a process of cell division which divides the cytoplasm of a parental cell into two daughter cells. So, cytokinesis occurs in both mitosis and meiosis. Next, foundation seeds are produced from A. Breeder seeds, B. Registered seeds, C. Foundation seeds, or D. Good seeds. The answer is breeder seeds. So, breeder seeds are those with white tags. So, just remember the hierarchy of seeds. The first one is the breeder, followed by the foundation, then registered seeds, and the certified seeds. So, registered seeds are tagged with green tags. Foundation seeds are red tags, and certified seeds are those with blue tag. Next, it refers to the sum total of seed properties which determine the potential for rapid uniform emergence and development of normal seedling under adverse field condition. A. Seed viability, B. Seed purity, C. Seed vigor, D. Seed health. The answer is seed vigor. Seed viability refers to the capability of the seed to germinate and produce healthy seedlings. Seed purity, on the other hand, or the purity of the seedlot or seed group or seed batch, indicates the percentage of how much is made up of pure seeds or the desired seeds and how much is made up of inert material and other seeds. Seed health is the measure of the freedom of seeds from pathogens. Next, it refers to the sum of all activities performed for the successful production of planting materials. A. Horticulture. B. Landscape gardening. C. Nursery management. Or D. Plantation. The answer is nursery management. So remember, horticulture is the study of cultivation and management of garden crops. Plantation is the intensive growing of crops on a large scale for commercial purposes. So normally, crops planted under plantation are typically processed before utilizing. Landscape gardening, on the other hand, is the art and process of laying out or designing an area to mimic the natural scenery. Next, an example of leguminous crop grown to cover the soil to control soil erosion and add organic matter and nitrogen to the soil. A. Centrosema. B. Sweet potato. C. Mustard. Or D. Sorghum. The answer is Centrosema. So Centrosema is under the Leguminosae family or the Fabaceae. Sweet potato is under the Convolvulaceae or the morning glory family, while mustard is under the Brassicaceae or the mustard or cabbage family. And sorghum is under the Gramineae or Poaceae or the grasses family. Next, it refers to the genetic modification of plants for human benefit. A. Plant pathology. B. Plant physiology. C. Plant breeding. Or D. Plant morphoanatomy. The answer is plant breeding. So, plant pathology is the study of suffering of plants. Plant physiology, on the other hand, refers to the study of plant functions and behavior, including the processes of growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Plant morphoanatomy is the study of the structures, including the internal and external parts, and mostly it deals with the cellular or microscopic level.